Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Azure CLI installed and authenticated, Move It extension added, and you have Azure AD rights to move resources. Once done, list the source resources with As Resource List filtered by resource group so you know what to move. Make sure to note dependencies like NICs or disks. They must move together. Run a dry run export to validate syntax and catch missing permissions before initiating the actual move to prevent mid-process failures. You now create and validate a move plan so Azure maps resources and dependencies correctly. Run as Move8 plan creates supplying source and target ID, then run validation. Resolving any validation errors avoids rollback. Once validation passes, start the move with execute and immediately open the job monitor. Keep an eye on activity logs and provisioning state changes. If dependent resources fail, cancel and fix ordering. Use retries for transient failures, and note timestamps to correlate logs for troubleshooting. You finish by verifying each moved resource's health, IPs, and access. Once the move completes, test application connectivity, update DNS and role assignments, and rerun automation that targets resource ID. Make sure tagging and policies are consistent in the new subscription or region. If something goes wrong, check the move job errors and activity logs to identify the root cause. Restore from snapshots or backups if needed. Then correct the dependency or permission issue and retry the move operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.